Thinking about getting a new home safe? You're not alone. In this video, we'll answer the biggest questions first-time safe buyers ask and help you feel confident in choosing the right protection for what matters most. Are you wondering if a home safe is right for you? Maybe you've got passports, jewelry, or important paperwork lying around and not sure how to best protect them. I'm Kael Johnson, and I've been in the safe industry for over a decade. In that time, I've helped thousands of families make the right decision when it comes to choosing a safe. In this video, we'll cover the 5 questions I get most often from homeowners, so you can avoid the common mistakes and get exactly what you need. The best way to choose a safe is to start by asking, what are you protecting and what is it worth? If you're protecting up to $10,000 in value, an entry-level safe might work. Up to $30,000? Mid-range. Once you're over $50,000 in value, we recommend high-end models. At $75,000 or more, it's worth looking at a TL or TRTL rated safe. And remember, some things like family heirlooms can't be replaced. If that's the case, go for more security and fire protection. The #1 regret we hear is, I wish I bought a bigger safe. People fill them up faster than they expect. Think about future purchases, items you've forgotten, and even other family members who might be needing access. Our rule of thumb, buy one size bigger than you think you need. You'll thank yourself later. This is a big one. Your safe needs to be convenient. If it's a hassle to use, you won't use it. Master bedroom closets and home offices are great. Garages are popular too, as long as the safe is bolted down and has a dehumidifier. And yes, many safes can go upstairs. Just ask about weight and floor support before you commit. You've got options: mechanical, digital, or biometric. Mechanical is simple and reliable. Digital offers quick access and multiple codes. Biometric, great for convenience, but check for quality. Cheap ones can fail. If you're ready to take the next step, check out the safe collections below or talk to one of our experts to narrow down your options. We're here to help you get it right. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video answered some of your biggest questions about home safes. Feel free to reach out with any other questions you might have. We're always happy to help.